Next form under the inventory menu is transfer of materials. Transfer of materials is a function where a user can deal the manufacturing and packing functions of a product. To access the transfer of materials form, click on the inventory menu and select the options transfer of material. While we clicking on the option, it redirects to transfer of material search page. With this form, user can convert items or raw materials into finished goods, and user can also use this form for splitting large quantity of items into small units, which is a packing function. Now let's take a look at which all options are available in the transfer of materials page. On the left side of the page, here we have a filter option. This filter option enables the user to filter or customize the transfer of materials data. By clicking on the filter option, the filter tab will be opened. User can filter the data by entering a particular reference number, or by selecting the by date option, or by selecting the status. The status may be of active or cancelled. If the user selects the by date option, need to enter the starting date along with the end date to access the data. After enter the details, click on the apply option to filter the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a particular reference number and can access a particular type of transfer of materials data. On the right side of the page, we have add new transfer of materials option here. This option is using for the purpose of create a new transfer of materials. Next to the add new option is export option. With this export option, user can export the complete transfer of materials data to Excel format. Next, the details of already created transfer of materials are given here. It shows the details of reference number, the date of created, description, and the current status. Status may be of active or cancelled. The cancelled type of transfer of material details are highlighted in red color. Next, on the right side of the data table, a view icon is available here. This view icon enables the user to access the complete details of transfer of materials data. While we clicking on the view icon, it redirects to created transfer of materials form. Here user can access the details like source consumption details, product details, and destination product details, etc. Next to the view icon is a more option. More options include two more options. The first one is the edit option. If the user want to make an edit or change after created the transfer of materials, then it can be edited by using this option. While we clicking on the option, it redirects to transfer of materials form. The second one is the delete option. This delete option enables the user to delete the unwanted transfer of materials data after created. Now let's take a look at how to create a new transfer of materials. For that, click on the add new transfer of materials option. While we clicking on the option, it opens to new transfer of materials form. Here user need to enter the following details to create a new transfer of materials. The first one is the reference number. Here the reference number of the form will be automatically appear. User cannot edit or change this number. It will be the continuation of the previous form. Next one is the date. Here user can select the required date. After select the date, the next option is the description. User can enter the description related with the transfer of materials here. Next is the source consumption. This head deals with the selection of items that the user wants to convert to finished goods or packets. Here user can enter the required product. After enter the product name, the list of created product will be appear and user can select the required one. Next is the batch. User need to select the batch of the selected product. After selected the product and batch, the details of the product like current stock, unit of measure, sales rate, purchase rate details are shown here. Next is the quantity option. Here user can enter the required quantity. Similarly, user can add multiple products if required. On the right side of the grid, a delete option is available. This delete icon enables the user to delete unwanted or unnecessary items. After enter the products under source consumption, the next head is the destination production. This head deals with finished goods or targeted items. For that, here user can enter the product. After enter the product name, the list of created products will be appear. User can select the required one. Similarly, user can enter the batch also. After enter the product and batch, the details of the product like current stock, sales rate, production rate will be automatically appear here. A user can enter the required quantity. Similarly, user can add multiple products if required, and if the user want to change the sales rate, then can be changed by using this option. After enter the all details, click on the save option to save this transfer of materials. Here we have a clear option to clear or cancel this form, and also have an exit option to exit from this page. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to transfer of material search, and here the saved details will be available. User can access the view by using this option, and user can make a change or edit after created by using the more options. So these are the details included under transfer of materials. Thank you.